And now our focus will be for Monday. We're going to have a round of north winds coming our way, and even though we had a little bit of rain, we are still in the heart of fire season. And with this north wind on Monday, we're going to know it. With the wind on Monday is going to be quite strong in parts of the valley, especially the west side of the valley. We could see gusts up over 40 miles an hour starting Monday morning, lasting into the day, and maybe even lasting into the day on Tuesday. Strongest on the west side of the valley, but everybody will see some of that. That means higher fire danger. Everything is still very dry. We'll have low humidity, so look for red flag warnings to likely be posted throughout much of the area, and also we'll likely see power shutoffs in some locations as well. Back to you.
Yeah, Mark, speaking of that, because of the winds just within the past hour, PG&E has placed 18 counties into an elevated status for possible power shutoffs next week. That's what Mark was mentioning. These include Colusa, Solano, Yolo, Butte, Placer, Yuba, and Stanislaus counties. This doesn't mean the entire county will be affected. It just means parts of those counties could lose power on Monday or Tuesday. PG&E will fine-tune this as we get closer to next week.